Hi, I'm Ava Lynn. Welcome to Buddhism in Life, a peaceful space to learn, reflect, and live with mindfulness. Ava Lynn opens her eyes to a new day. She doesn't rush or jump out of bed. Instead, she takes a soft breath and lets the morning light settle into her heart. Peace begins here, she whispers gently, allowing herself a calm, mindful start. The street outside is alive with sounds, cars passing, people talking. Yet Ava Lynn walks with presence. Each step is a quiet moment of awareness. She doesn't look at her phone. She looks up, noticing the soft dance of green leaves above her. At the office, tasks are waiting. Instead of rushing into everything at once, Ava Lynn chooses one thing, writing her first email. She takes a steady breath, her fingers moving gently across the keyboard. In the distance, she notices her colleague Than approaching, and she smiles softly. During lunch, Ava Lynn sits by the window. Her meal isn't something to finish quickly, it's something to appreciate. She savors the taste of every grain of rice and the fresh crispness of the greens. Gratitude fills her with each mindful bite. After work, she doesn't head straight home. Instead, she visits a quiet, ancient pagoda. The peaceful atmosphere helps her release the tension she carried through the day. She sits quietly, listening to the soft echo of the temple bell, feeling her mind return to stillness. Later, she walks through the park. Mindful walking is her favorite way to reconnect with herself. She feels her feet touching the earth and the softness of the grass beneath her shoes. She isn't trying to get anywhere. She's simply enjoying the act of walking. Ava Lynn pauses at the flower garden. Each flower is its own little world. She takes her time with a single white daisy, noticing its simple beauty. It reminds her that nothing needs to be perfect to be meaningful. Back home, she begins to prepare dinner. The sound of running water, the quiet rhythm of the knife on the cutting board. Every sound has its own life. She cooks not to rush through hunger, but to nourish her body and mind with care. Before bed, Ava Lynn takes a moment to write, not a to-do list, but a gratitude list. 3 simple things she's thankful for today: a timely email, a warm smile, and the scent of the earth after the rain. These small blessings shape her day. As she settles down for the night, Ava Lynn listens softly to her breath. The long day has passed, and she has lived each moment with gentle presence. With a peaceful mind and a calm heart, she drifts quietly into restful sleep. Buddhism in life. Learn the Buddha's way. Cultivate humanity.